a senator says Chinese embassy officials, if proven to be behind the audio recording on the supposed new Ayungin Shoal deal, should be expelled. The DFA also notes that diplomatic immunity does not shield embassy officials from the rule of law. Camille Zamonte has the rest of that story.
Senators are now calling for a probe into the supposed audio recording held by the Chinese embassy of a conversation between a Chinese diplomat and an AFP official. In that conversation, they supposedly agreed on a new model agreement to manage tensions in the Ayungin Shoal. Senate Committee on Maritime and Admiralty Zones Chairman Francis Tolentino says they need to find out if the audio recording is legitimate.
Wala itong acknowledgement na nagkaroon nga talaga ng pag-uusap na mayroong new model. Because that's extraneous.
They also want to know if Chinese embassy officials violated the Philippines anti-wiretapping law.
It is a serious breach of existing international law for an embassy, a foreign embassy, to violate internal and domestic laws of a host country. Sa akin, nagkaroon ba talaga ng pagtitape? Kahit i-tape mo lang yung greetings, ni hao, good morning, wiretapping na yun.
Proven, Tolentino says the Chinese government owes the Philippine government an apology. He says the diplomatic immunity of the Chinese embassy officials involved should also be waived so they can be held accountable under the Philippine laws. Aside from those, the senator adds that anyone proven to have broken Philippine laws should be expelled and declared persona non grata. The Philippine government could also consider recalling or sending back home Philippine ambassador to China, Jaime Flor Cruz. Chinese embassy officials will be invited to the hearing.
Hindi sila pwedeng makumpel, but because this involves a violation of Philippine laws, palagay ko dapat umattend sila para patunayan na in good faith sila. Para wala silang patunayan na wala silang inililihim. So, nasa kanila na yon.
The Justice Department also ordered its own investigation into the matter. Secretary Crispino Muriel says, quote, diplomatic immunity should never be used as a license to exploit our country's peace and harmony for selfish motives. He adds that this privilege should not shield anyone from the consequences of the rule of law. The PCG says it also supports the move to expel Chinese diplomats if proven that they violated the anti-wiretapping law. The Chinese embassy has yet to release a statement on the matter. But the Chinese Foreign Ministry has earlier said that their diplomats should be free to do anything to perform their duties. For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.